Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the effect sleep can have on your health. Sleep has a very important role in the immune system. If you're not getting good sleep at night, your body isn't able to fully recover from the day's activities. When you're sleeping, the body decreases the levels of cortisol and adrenaline in your system. These are stress hormones, and if you're not sleeping well, your body doesn't have the chance to decrease them, so you're running on high level all the time. If you're having trouble sleeping, let us know next time you're in the clinic. We can talk about some changes you can make to your sleep environment, some other options for helping you sleep, and sleeping positions. Sometimes this can help as well. Let us know if you have any questions about this. We'd be happy to help you through it.